Every great life tells a story, but you don't need hours to hear it. At LifeSnaps, we bring you powerful biographies of artists, icons, and legends in just minutes. Subscribe now. From the vibrant streets of Kingston to the top of the Billboard charts, Sean Paul transformed dancehall into a global language. With platinum hits like Get Busy and Temperature, he brought the Jamaican sound into every corner of the world. He's worked with megastars like Beyoncé, Sia, and Dua Lipa, all while staying true to his island roots. But behind the fame, the awards, and the millions of records sold is a story of discipline, passion, and relentless hustle. This is the untold story of Sean Paul. Let's snap into it. Sean Paul Ryan Francis Henriquez was born on January 9, 1973, in Kingston, Jamaica. Raised in a middle-class family, he grew up in a household that valued both discipline and creativity. His mother, a painter, filled their home with art and expression, while his father, a swimmer, inspired a love for sports and competition. It was no surprise, then, that Sean Paul became an athlete first, excelling in swimming and water polo. In fact, he even represented Jamaica's national water polo team as a teenager. But beneath the athlete's drive, there was another rhythm beating inside him. Kingston's sound systems, reggae roots, and the rising wave of dancehall in the 1980s and 90s were shaping his identity in ways he couldn't yet imagine. Though his early path seemed destined for sports, music was waiting just around the corner. In the late 1990s, Sean Paul began making his move from athlete to artist. His raw talent and smooth delivery caught the attention of Jamaica's dancehall producers. In 1996, he recorded Baby Girl and started appearing on local rhythms, building a name in Kingston's buzzing music scene. But his first real breakthrough came with Infiltrate in 1998, a track that made him a rising star in dancehall. From there, his momentum only grew. In 2002, Sean Paul dropped Gimme the Light, a party anthem that spread far beyond Jamaica's borders. It wasn't just a hit in the Caribbean. It cracked the Billboard Hot 100 and introduced him to the world. Then came Get Busy, a song that didn't just climb the charts, it topped them, reaching #1 on Billboard Hot 100 in 2003. Overnight, Sean Paul went from a local star to an international sensation. With his signature flow, catchy hooks, and authentic island sound, he became the face of dancehall's global takeover. By the mid-2000s, Sean Paul was no longer just a dancehall star, he was a global hitmaker. His second album, Dirty Rock, 2002, sold over 6 million copies worldwide and won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2004. With back-to-back chart toppers like Glue and We Be Burnin', he proved he wasn't a one-hit wonder. What set him apart was his ability to stay true to his Jamaican roots, while seamlessly blending into mainstream pop and hip-hop. That unique balance made him a sought-after collaborator. From Beyoncé's Baby Boy, a track that dominated the charts for weeks, to Rihanna's Break It Off, to his unforgettable team-ups with Sia on Cheap Thrills and Dua Lipa on No Lie, Sean Paul became the bridge between Kingston and the world. His voice instantly recognizable, his flow infectious, and his influence undeniable. By the end of the decade, he had secured his place as one of the most successful dancehall artists in history. Behind the stage lights and global fame, Sean Paul has always kept a grounded, family-centered life. He married Jodie Stewart, a Jamaican TV host and media personality, in 2012. Together, they've built a strong partnership away from the spotlight. The couple has 2 children, a son, Levi Blaze, born in 2017, and a daughter, Remy Lee, born in 2019. Despite his busy schedule, Sean Paul often shares moments of fatherhood and family on social media, showing a softer, more personal side of the superstar. Financially, his decades-long career has paid off. Estimates place his net worth between $25 to $30 million, built from hit records, world tours, brand deals, and royalties. Yet, his lifestyle is far from reckless. Yes, he enjoys the success, cars, houses, global travel. but he often emphasizes discipline, fitness, and staying healthy. Sean Paul still trains, swims, and keeps a routine rooted in the discipline that shaped him as a young athlete. What makes him stand out isn't just the millions or the fame. It's his ability to stay authentic, humble, and connected to his Jamaican roots. Sean Paul's artistry is built on one core idea, making dancehall global without losing its roots. His flow is unmistakable, rapid-fire, melodic, and infectious. And while his music evolved over the years, he never abandoned the heartbeat of Jamaican rhythms. That authenticity is why his songs remain timeless. From Get Busy to No Lie, each hit feels fresh, even decades later. But Sean Paul's legacy isn't just about his own records. It's about opening doors. By collaborating with international stars like Beyoncé, Sia, and Dua Lipa, he created a blueprint for future dancehall artists to cross into mainstream pop. He became proof that the Jamaican sound belongs on the world stage. Looking ahead, Sean Paul continues to record, tour, and mentor younger artists, passing the torch while keeping the flame alive. His ambition remains simple yet powerful: to keep spreading dancehall across borders, cultures, and generations. Because for Sean Paul, the mission isn't over. It's only getting started. From Kingston's water polo pools, to the Grammy stage, to arenas packed with fans around the globe, Sean Paul's journey is nothing short of legendary. He didn't just make hits, he made history. By carrying the sound of dancehall across borders, he became more than an entertainer. He became a cultural ambassador. His voice, his rhythm, his energy, all serve one purpose: to keep Jamaica's music alive and thriving on the world stage. And as new generations rise, his legacy stands as proof of what's possible when discipline, passion, and authenticity come together. Sean Paul is not just a star, he is an era. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved exploring Sean Paul's journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to LifeSnaps. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new story from the legends of music. And now it's your turn. Drop your favorite Sean Paul song in the comments. Is it Get Busy? Temperature? Or maybe one of his global collabs? We'd love to know. And remember, big lives, small snaps. That's LifeSnaps.